Hi everyone, this is your unit for the Outsider's Summative Assessment. Our statement of inquiry for this unit is fictional themes connect to real life. Remember the grasp, which is the goal, which is to demonstrate understanding of how fictional themes connect to real life. Your role is you are a writer for a school newspaper. The audience is your school. The situation is you need to write an article, which is a book review of The Outsiders. And your product is you will write an article, which is basically an essay, which examines how one of the novel's themes connects to real life. Now let's look at the directions. Step 1. Complete the chapter 10 to 12 theme practice and mastery check from the prior week. Once that's done, you go to step 2 and choose one of the themes from the mastery check that you feel best supports the statement of inquiry and most closely connects to your life or someone you know. Let's take a look at that assignment from last week, and so that this might make more sense. As you recall, you had the Outsiders chapter 10 to 12 theme mastery check, and you had several steps to complete it, and there were 3 parts. You had part 1. The conflict topic was greaser versus socias, man versus man, and you were to complete these sections here. How did Pony change? And themes and our life lessons learned here. Then you had part 2. You did the same, but it was a different conflict topic. This one was physically fighting, and you had to complete how a Ponyboy changed and themes and our life lessons here. And then part 3, which was a different conflict topic of being resentful and bitter about life. And again, you completed these sections. So now you're going to go back. You'll look at those 3 parts and decide which one of those do you feel is the strongest and that you also feel really connects to real life, meaning your own personal experience or maybe someone close to you. Once you have chosen which one of those themes you think is the most powerful, then you can go to step 3. You're going to read the example article which uses the theme from chapter 10 to 12, theme practice. And that theme was family can be challenging, but it's important to work through differences with love and respect. You cannot use this theme for your article. If you remember, there are 6 themes here, and this family one is not one of the ones you'll be using because that one didn't fit any of these 3 conflicts. So you will have picked a different theme. Let's look at what this means, the example article. Here it is in big bold letters, example article. You'll see that some of it is in black. That's because it's the frame that you will not mess with unless you really feel you want to change it. Keep the essence of it, but you don't have to do anything with the black printing. So for instance, this says, my English teacher recently assigned a fictional novel written 60 years ago. My first thought was that I wouldn't be able to relate or learn anything from this outdated story. However, after reading it, I was amazed at how much I had in common with them. What made the book so compelling was the theme, because themes connect to real life no matter where or when. So this part here is your thesis statement or claim. Then you come down here and you notice there's more black font, and it says, to prove my point, it will help to explain the novel we read, which was The Outsiders by S.E. Hinton. The main character is a 13-year-old boy named Ponyboy Curtis, whose parents had died and is being raised by his 20-year-old brother, Dairy, and 17-year-old brother, Soda. There are many conflicts in the story, but one major conflict is, and here it was the relationship between Pony and Dairy, Ponyboy and Dairy, and you are not using this one. This is in the example. Everything in this purple print is what you will put in based on the theme that you chose. You will not be writing about Ponyboy and Dairy's relationship. That is just for the example. And I want to read it because this shows how much detail that you're expected to include. Ponyboy feels that Dairy doesn't love him and is too hard on him. On the other hand, there's a lot of pressure on Dairy to make Ponyboy a good student and out of trouble, or else the courts will take Ponyboy away to be raised in a group home. The two brothers fight a lot throughout the novel, and one night Dairy was so frustrated over Ponyboy coming home late that he hit him. So this whole section was explaining the conflict between Ponyboy and Dairy, which was one of the big conflicts. And we're trying to see how Ponyboy changed, because that's one of the ways you figure out what the theme is. So you have this transition in black, which means you do not change that. By the end of the novel, though, and this is where I'm going to write how they changed. They both agree to stop fighting and work harder to get along. This leads me to the theme, one of the themes of the book, which is family can be challenging, but it's important to work through differences with love and respect. Again, you will not be using this theme. You will use one of the other ones based on which mastery check part you decided to choose. This last section, you'll see it starts with, I found this to be a message that I can relate to, for example. And this section, you will be writing about some personal experience that relates to it. This one says, I have often fought with my brother, and sometimes it can get pretty ugly. Yet, when I stop and think about it, I care about him more than anyone, almost anyone else, and it makes me realize that maybe I should take a breath and figure out a better way to handle our disagreements. What is written here is a personal experience that fits with this theme here. In short, even though The Outsiders is a fictional novel, the theme is based in real life and can help me think more clearly to navigate the real world a little better. Okay, so now we've actually completed step 4 together, step 3, where we've read the example article. Step 4 is find your article frame below the example article. So let's come down here, and it says your article. You will see that the text in black is the frame. You will not be changing the words in the frame. Keep those the same. What you're going to do is when you see anything in purple, it means there's directions. You will read the directions and you will write what the directions say. So for instance, this says there are many conflicts in the story, but one of the major conflicts is, and you will describe what one of the major conflicts is using text details, summarize using your own words with specific text details and direct quotes when appropriate. So for this one, we can go back to that mastery check. Remember, the major conflicts are here in this purple part. The greaser versus the socias is one of them. Physically fighting is another major conflict. And being resentful and bitter about life is the third one. So you're going to pick one of those, and then you're going to explain that conflict in complete sentences. When you do that, after you do that, you're going to delete these directions because those directions won't make sense. You don't want to have directions. You're writing an essay. You will not leave the directions in there. Just know that you need to describe your conflict. If you want to write it first and then delete that, that's fine. Again, when you read the next sentence by the end of the novel, though, and then you need to describe how the conflict was resolved. Summarize with your own words and with specific text details. and direct quotes when appropriate. So that means you can look up here if you're not sure, but you're going to basically say, how did they change? And again, you're going to erase these directions. And then you'll write the theme of the book here, the theme that you're focusing on. You have one more paragraph. The black is in the frame. And again, you have to describe your own personal experience that relates to the theme that you wrote about up here. And then you will delete these directions. Be sure to let your teacher know if you have any questions. And once you've done this and you double check your work and you compare it with the rubric, then you can turn it in.